Hey guys, Malcolm here and Cooper, my best friend.
Yeah, Cooper 0505 channel.
Cooper 0505.
Yeah, 0505.
05. If you're a person that doesn't know sarcasm or whatever, then you're stupid. Alright, we're gonna do an AMX versus ATV. Stop it, we're gonna do an AMX versus ATV gameplay. So yeah,
Gameplay.
let's do this. See, we made videos that were always in the way of the screen, but Justin. Yeah, we're going to turn the volume down where you can barely hear, but
Did you do 2-player?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you have to do 2-player. Come on.
Split screen. Now we're going to do free ride. Here, let me sit right here so you can see better.
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, then we're going to, oh man. We're going to do the best one. It's called, Aguasha. It got so much dips and stuff where you can do tricks, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do that. Where do you want to be, Cooper?
I'll be on. Wait, what do you mean?
You just want to be a dirt bike?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start. So we're gonna do a gameplay of this. So yeah, this is our first ever gameplay of this. So yeah. Is it a better with or without the lights? It's fine. Okay. So awesome. And guys, this is going to be on my life, like the day in the life of Matthew. So,
Turn the light off.
so you better watch the video, watch the whole video. It's probably going to be an hour long, maybe. But here we are. Let go. Press A to go.
Oh.
And then the 90 seconds to turn. You can go anywhere. Actually, you can go anywhere. I just like going and following the track. It's fun for me. So guys, I'm on the left. Cooper's on the right. Oh no. So you can watch both of us.
That's not it.
Both. Look at me. Look at the left screen, guys. I'm just like on a giant dip. I'm just like, boom. Doing some tricks. Disco. Oh, you see what I did, Cooper? I just took everything off the bike. I'm like this. So I'm like this with my hand, right? Like that. Nothing on the bike. It was cool. Alright, so I'm gonna do some cool tricks. So yeah. Knack knack. Knacky knacky knack knack. Nickety nicky knack. No! Fail. That was a big fail. The biggest fail. Oh my gosh, guys. The camera fell down. So embarrassing. I hate when cameras fall down. It's just so embarrassing. The camera fell down, so. I know you blew. Isn't that funny?
How do you do that?
You just keep going far off in the world. Just turn around if you don't want to blow anymore. Ah, knack. I hate doing the knack knack, guys. I mean, I do it every time. Like every time I bust a move, it just does knack knack. I do the can.
How do you go backwards?
Whoa! What was that? A. What was that? Just turn around. Wrong way. Fail.
It's funny how you just bounce off the ground.
Wrong way. You just gotta turn around then. All about the bass, about the bass, about the bass. I'm all about the bass, about the bass. Turn around, turn around.
I can't.
A, hold A. No, don't not that. Push the back button and hold A to go reverse. Do this and hold A. Yes, keep doing that and go. What in the world? So yeah. I got the move, just like I got the move.
Oh my gosh.
Special nuts and bricks. I see a screw the nut out. Now I'm blowing. Look at the dust. Oh wow.
It's like my bike goes flying.
Boom. Don't go. Remember, turn to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. I think so. Yeah.
Go to the right.
And don't reverse on it when you go right. Okay. Just go straight. Keep going straight.
I'm gonna get back to the track.
Yeah, you're back on the track, I think.
Yeah, I'm going back to the track.
Look at me, Cooper, look at me.
I mean, to the beginning of the track. I mean, I am on the track right now, but...
Ah, man, I crashed. Wrong way, I think. That was funny. So I just got these fish. And, yeah. As you can see, I showed them on the last video, or a couple of minutes ago, or actually a couple seconds ago. So Cooper's my best friend, but he doesn't come to my house. Are you serious? Did that happen again? I do not like camera falling down. It's like my worst enemy. Cameras falling down is my worst enemy. So camera falls down, it's just upward.
If you see somebody, can I see you when I'm driving on my screen?
Yes, but it's so hard. Sorry. So I'm really sorry about this video. Really bad camera. Alright, so here it is. So I'm about to go. I gotta turn around. Ah, man. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the volume up so you can hear this. Right here is kind of...
There's awesome songs.
Oh, you know what song I like the best?
What?
Jukebox. I'm joking. What up? This is more like it. Hey, Cooper, you can tell when you're growing when you're about to hit the edge of your... Hey! How did you find... Oh, it's a map! What up? What up? I'm coming. What up? I'm coming. What up? Aw, man, Brew! Look at me! I'm a Brew. Hey! I'm gonna do a wheelie. Ah, man. Oh, a tree to me! I got a tree stuck in my buddy.
I almost crashed into you.
What up? I'm coming. Grinding something. What up? What up? What up? I'm coming. Grinding something. What up? What up? What up? Oh, good. It's all been doing this whole commentary student. What up? I gave you trick.
Big jump. Matthew, the edge of the world.
Fail. Yeah, you look right high.
What if you can see me flying through the air?
So how'd you like this song, guys? I want to play 3 hours of water up on here so you have like full rainbow. So I'm gonna turn up our standing next to oh man, we're eating sports. Okay.
This is really weird.
Here it is. Cash for cake.
I have the power. Only need the best one to speak with him.
It's glitching, man.
No, that's actually making you
You
roll.
don't have to be on stage.
Oh, you just keep growing.
Out of here.
Oh wow.
Bianca.
Oh my word. Oh my word. That's Photoshop right there. That's Photoshop. Alright, so.
It is totally. We're restarting. Yeah, because I would catch.
Yeah. So I heard this song, I'm going to show you my favorite song. Well, my first favorite. I'm just looking it up. Alright, here we go. This is my favorite song of all time.
What do you mean bundled?
Got this.
Honey, all new PCs come with free add-ons.